Hello everyone, today we'll have a look at these two bug busters or fly zappers. I got two of them here. One is rechargeable. Here you have a AC plug, European style. You plug it in and it will charge, then you can use it. And this one is battery operated. So this one comes with on-off switch and push button tactile. Maybe this one is for charging or activation. On off switch and a spotlight and a small LED here. It says a rechargeable electronic mosquito bat. A port for recharging. So like this if you want to charge it, or like this, I'm not sure. Yeah, so that's it, as simple as that. We have three mesh, outer mesh from both sides and an inner mesh with a smaller holes, which is for the positive. So when a fly touch the outer and the inner mesh, and it will be zapped. Same thing with this one. They are almost identical, except the battery operated one is shorter, as you can see. This one takes two AA batteries by the look of it. What does it say here? Yeah, it uses two AA batteries. And this one doesn't have any LED torch or anything, just the zap button, mosquito hitting direction. So you use it like this way. Here we have some information. TV Innovations model bug buster. Here you can pause and read if you want. I got this for $3 from the secondhand store. It's brand new. Here it says Handy Innovations, while here it says TV Innovations, so I'm not sure what the brand is. Mosquito and insect killer. The features, directions, and warnings. If you're 5 years old or less, it's not for you. So let's take this apart and then we will do the other one. Okay, so this is the plug. We have another LED on the back here, green one, and this hole, which is this one, and one here, which is red, that we saw earlier. Everything is falling apart. Let's see the circuit board. I never tested this, so I don't know if it works or not. So it looks like we have a transformer. these 3 caps and 3 diodes, these the ones that multiply the voltage and make it higher. And here it looks like a capacitor dropper, but we have transformer here. I don't know. This is the torch, which is not LED, and this is the battery. Probably the battery is dead. I never tested this, so I don't know. Let's check the other one. Smaller circuit board, less complicated. One screw. And this is it. Simpler and less complicated. This is a tactile switch. Alright, cool. We'll have a look closer to the circuit board, then we will test this one. You don't want to put your fingers there. Works only when you press this. So this is it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.